Warm greetings to everyone present here. I am Apurva Shrestha from grade 9A2 and today I'm here to talk about my learnings from the National Museum, especially about the coins used in Nepal. At the museum, we discovered that Nepal has a long and fascinating history of coins. The collection includes Pashupati coins, coins of King Prithviraj Shah, and even some rare ones made of mud and leather. From the Lichavi dynasty, we saw that coins were beautifully engraved with the names of kings and queens and even the titles of rulers such as Aradhya. One of the main highlights was Nepal's first silver coin minted in 1545 AD by King Jayendra Singh of Dolakha. We also learned about Kathmandu's first silver coin issued by King Mahendra Malla and world's smallest coin issued by King Jayaprakash Malla. During the Shah dynasty, many kings had introduced coins made of gold, silver, and copper. These coins often include engravings of gods and goddesses like Bhavani, Goeshwari, and Pashupati, which showed the cultural values of that time. Apart from Nepali coins, the museum also displayed coins from different countries, both ancient and modern, which made the experience even more exciting and educational. Overall, our visit taught us that coins are not just money, but also a reflection of our culture and history. Thank you.